Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make cute woolen flower with two colors of wool and fur. First, put 3 strands of wool at the middle of the fork. Then wrap around the second color of wool on the fork for 30 times. Now, take the 3 strands of wool already on the fork and tie firmly. Now, attach needle at the extension of the wool and sew one side of the design. Watch closely as I do that. Then pull the design out from the fork. Then make the little pieces 5 and blend them together. Attach a medium-sized bead at the center. I believe you will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thank you all for watching.